time cards to your payroll system, go to Time Card and Payroll. On this page, you can directly export it to the payroll system you use, or we recommend running the hour and shift preparation report. In this report, it will default and pick all your departments, all your active hourly employees, and select the date period in which you want to export. When the page reloads, you'll see all of your employees listed with their hours. These hours come directly from the time card. You can click the little pencil to see details if you want to see which days were approved while the hours were broken out. If you do need to make a change, go back to your time cards and make the change now. At this point, if you want, you can create an Excel file to keep for yourself. You can see a history of past exports. You can push the report to yourself, so every week you can receive a copy of this file, or you can print the report. When you're ready to send it to your payroll, click the blue button. Your payroll system name will be replaced here with the one that you use. And here you will see the file is ready for you to export. Right-click it, save link as, and save it to your desktop. Now go into your payroll system and import the file.